Hello, in front of me I have TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to open the Wear OS application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the application you should see the device page for your TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra. On this page, scroll down, tap on the advanced settings, and here you should see the button called Unpair Watch. Tap on it, tap on Unpair Watch. The watch will disappear from the application, and also it should reset itself to the factory default settings. So now we can close the application, and after the factory reset is complete, your watch is unpaired from your phone, and you can pair it with different devices if you want to. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.